Are you interested in studying abroad? No matter if you're still in school, in university, or already graduated, it is never too early or too late to plan your stay abroad. Regardless of whether you are thinking about a semester abroad, a gap year, or a short-term program in a foreign country, organizing this life-changing experience can be very difficult. Here's how I found a way to study abroad at my dream destination. My name is Josephine, and 1 year ago, I was where you are right now. I was a bachelor student in my second semester, and I thought about studying business administration in South Korea. My enthusiasm was quickly dampened when I talked to the study abroad coordinator at my faculty, who told me that my institution didn't have any exchange agreements with a university in the country I wanted to go to. They offered me some alternative destinations, but there were only a few spots available, and also, it was just not what I wanted. However, I had the option of going abroad to South Korea independently as a so-called free mover. I was advised to apply with Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad to save myself the hassle of finding a suitable host university that would offer courses in English and suit the requirements of my home institution. I would further save money on the tuition fee and get supported from the start of my semester abroad until the very end. I heard that fellow students of mine had studied abroad with Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad in Southeast and East Asia, as well as Latin America and Europe in the past, so I decided to do the same. I did my online research. I went on Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad's website and first booked a counseling session to get some more information and advice on which university I should choose for my semester abroad in South Korea based on my study program and the courses I wanted to take. The customer service was super friendly and answered all my questions and suggested me to pick the Dongha University in Busan. I got all the documents I needed to apply with Asia Exchange straight away and clicked on the Apply Now button. It was very easy. The team behind Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad screened my application and revised it where needed. Once I handed in everything, I received the initial acceptance letter the very next day. Then I got my learning agreement signed from my study abroad coordinator and paid the application fee and tuition fee. I was amazed by how quick and effortless the entire application process was. While waiting for my semester abroad to start, I was in constant contact with the team behind Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad, who advised me on how to get financial support, finding an accommodation, and the visa application procedure. They even set up groups on social media so that applicants for my chosen university for that semester had the chance to get in touch with each other beforehand and possibly find accommodation together if they didn't wish to stay at the dormitory that was offered by the university. 2 months before the semester start, I received the official acceptance letter, finalized my course selection at my chosen university, booked my flights, and finally got my visa from my local embassy. I was ready to leave. When I first arrived in South Korea, I was overwhelmed, but at the same time I felt extreme happiness to be able to study in this amazing country. Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad organized orientation days for us students to get accustomed to the country and to get more information on the university and our lecturers. Also, the Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad team was always there for me when needed, as they not only have stuff in Europe but also on site in Asia. I had the most beautiful semester I could have ever imagined. I chose to live together with some of the other Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad students who I met through the social media groups, and we found our shared apartment online approximately 2 months before the semester started. Besides making friends and building an international network, I further learned the language, dived into the culture, and tried local delicacies. The semester came to an end and I flew back. Shortly after, my transcript was sent to me via email, and later on I also received a hard copy of it. I got the courses I completed in South Korea transferred, and therefore my story ends here. Asia Exchange and Beyond Abroad sent me a feedback form to evaluate my experience after I came back home, which I filled out. It was all smooth sailing, and now I'm even considering going abroad again, seeing how easy and affordable it can be. Maybe you will see me in Bali next year. Don't let anything stop you from studying abroad and take on this adventure.